Welcome to another episode of cooking here in Tita Lily's kitchen. Today I'm going to show you my version of cooking chicken wings with oyster sauce. Here are the ingredients that we need for this recipe. 1 kilo of chicken wings, oyster sauce, brown sugar, soy sauce, Chinese cooking wine, ginger, spring onions, green onions, and oil for frying. Please check for the measurements of these ingredients in the description below. First, we have to cut and wash the chicken. I'll cut the wings into 2 pieces by separating it with the joint. And the tip, we don't need it, so we'll discard it. I'm going to pat this with paper towel to remove the excess water. Then we're ready to move on to the next step. I'll add 4 tablespoons of cooking wine, about 50 grams of ginger cut into strips, that is 4 tablespoons of soy sauce. Then we mix to incorporate all the ingredients, and I am going to marinate these for an hour. This has been marinated for an hour, but before frying, I need to take out the ginger that I used earlier for later. I am going to cook this in 2 batches. Now let's heat up the oil. Put it in high heat, then once you start frying, adjust it to medium. This is done. I'll take this out and put the remaining wings to finish off. This fry is done, so we're moving on to the next. In a clean pan, put 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Now bring back and saute the ginger. Then add the oyster sauce. And this is the marinade from chicken wings. Brown sugar, soy sauce, and oyster sauce are salty, so brown sugar will do the job to balance the taste. We wait till it caramelizes, then we'll add the chicken. I think the chicken is ready to go. Make sure all the wings are coated with the sauce. And for the last touch, I will add the spring onion. Mix it along with the wings, and our chicken wings with oyster sauce are done. Garnish it with green onions and ready to serve. This is my version of chicken wings with oyster sauce. I hope you like it. Please try this recipe and I'm sure you will enjoy it. Bye for now, till my next video, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.